In this video, we will walk you through practical solutions step by step to repair the iTunes backup corrupted and incompatible issue and successfully restore your iTunes backup without losing your data. Part 1. Why is my iTunes backup corrupted or incompatible? The iTunes backup corrupted or incompatible error can occur due to interrupted backups, iOS version mismatches, corrupted files, outdated iTunes, or insufficient storage. These issues can prevent successful restoration. Part 2. How to fix iTunes backup corrupted or incompatible issue. Here are 8 fixes to the iTunes backup corrupted and incompatible issue. Fix 1. Restart iPhone and computer. To restart your iPhone, press and hold the power button or power plus volume button on newer models. Slide to power off, wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. To restart your computer, close iTunes completely and then restart your Windows PC or Mac. After that, attempt to restore the backup by reconnecting your iPhone to the computer, opening iTunes, and trying the restoration process again. Fix 2. Update iTunes to the latest version. To update iTunes on Windows, open the app, go to Help in the top menu, select Check for Updates, and follow the prompts to install the latest version. To update iTunes on a Mac, open the App Store, go to Updates, find iTunes or macOS Updates, click Update, and restart your computer. Once updated, reconnect your iPhone and try restoring the backup again. This can often resolve compatibility issues caused by outdated software. Fix 3. Check USB connection or Wi-Fi stability. For USB connection, use a certified, undamaged cable. Try a different USB port and securely reconnect your iPhone by unplugging and plugging it back in. For Wi-Fi connection, make sure both devices are on the same network. Verify the network stability and restart the router if needed. Fix 4. Ensure enough storage space. To check your iPhone storage, go to Settings, General iPhone Storage, and ensure there's enough free space for the backup. To check storage on your computer, on Windows, open this PC and check available disk space. On Mac, click Apple menu about this Mac storage. Free up space by deleting unnecessary apps, photos, or large files on your iPhone, and remove unused files or old backups from your computer. Fix 5. Delete the corrupted iTunes backup. To remove a corrupted iTunes backup on Windows, close iTunes and go to C. Users Your Surname App Data Roaming Apple Computer Mobile Async Backup. Find the backup folder with a random string of letters and numbers, then delete it. To delete a corrupted iPhone backup on a Mac, close iTunes or Finder, then open Finder. Click Go to Folder and enter the path. Library Application Support Mobile Async Backup. Find and delete the corrupted backup folder. Restart iTunes and try again. Deleting a backup removes all data in it, so ensure it's not the only copy of important files. Fix 6. Create a new backup. To back up your iPhone, connect it to the computer and open iTunes. Select your device, choose this computer under Backups, and enable encryption if desired. Click Backup Now and wait for the process to complete. Afterward, try restoring from the new backup. Fix 7. Rename or move the backup folder. 1. Close iTunes completely on your computer. 2. Go to the iTunes backup location on your computer. On Windows, C. Users Your Surname App Data Roaming Apple Computer Mobile Async Backup. On Mac, Library Application Support Mobile Async Backup. 3. Find the backup folder, usually a long string of letters and numbers. 4. Right-click the folder and rename it, for example, add old at the end or move it to another location. 5. Reopen iTunes, reconnect your iPhone, and try the backup or restore process again. Fix 8. Repair iTunes backup with professional tool. If none of the above methods work, the backup file may be corrupted. iOS System Recovery fixes iOS issues and backup errors without data loss, supporting multiple iPhone models and iOS versions. Step 1. Download and install iOS System Recovery on your computer, then launch the program. Connect your iPhone to the computer using a USB cable and choose the iOS System Recovery mode. Step 2. Follow the on-screen instructions to detect your device and select the appropriate repair mode. Confirm the device information and download the required firmware package. Step 3. Click Repair to start fixing the system and wait for the process to complete. After that, reconnect your device to iTunes and try restoring the backup again. Part 3. Best alternative to iTunes backup. iTunes is commonly used for backup and restore, but has limitations like flexibility issues and complex steps. Coolmuster iOS Assistant is a better alternative, offering an easier, more reliable way to manage, backup, and restore iPhone data with greater control and a user-friendly interface. Step 1. Download and install Coolmuster iOS Assistant on your computer, then launch the program. Step 2. Connect your iPhone via USB and wait until the software detects your device. Go to the Super Toolkit section and click iTunes Backup and Restore. Step 2. Choose Backup, select your device, and set a location to save the backup files. Click OK to start backing up your iPhone data. To restore, select Restore, choose the desired backup file, and confirm to begin the process.